Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, tap on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then log into one of your apps and hit Save in Google pop-up. This way your password will appear over here. To add a new one in Password Manager settings, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter all of those data. You can type in website or click on Select App and tap on the one that you wish to add. In my case, Facebook. Now enter username or email, password, and even some notes. Lastly, to save your password, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, in this case I need to choose Messenger. When I click Enter my login method, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!